Should I say hi? Hi, I'm Nanna. I'm a UX designer at Ørsted. So first I would say attend all the social events that you can do. Like really go out there and meet all your nice friends. I would also tell myself to drink more energy drinks and do more all-nighters, because looking back, that's when I feel really nostalgic and like a proper IT student. And finally, go to the theater, go to the opera and get that student discount. So professionally, the advice I would give to my student self is to find out what you want and not what you think is expected of you. And secondly is to embrace whatever nature you have. For me, that was my ambitious side. And finally, my advice would be to do more weird stuff, experiment more, follow that strange idea that you had, and that's just when things get really interesting.